My name's Kellyn. I'm one of the primary therapists here at Safe Landing. So a lot of what we do is based off trying to uncover the root in terms of like the addiction. Why is it that you started using? Why did you keep using? You know, was it peer pressure? Was there some kind of trauma? So I love getting to the root of that and then kind of figuring out, okay, so they're obviously using this as a coping skill. So what can we do to teach you new coping skills? How can you become aware when you are likely to be like, okay, screw it, I just want to use? And what can we do to replace that behavior? So you can find healthier ways to deal with stress, because the fact of the matter is they're gonna have stress for the rest of their lives. It's just a part of the process. That's honestly what I love. I love uncovering what is it that's making you want to do this, and then what can we do that works for you, because it's all individualized. One coping skill for me doesn't mean a coping skill for this person or that person.